The Works Hydroshot, the world's first portable power cleaner that lets you clean anytime, anywhere. Fueled by a 20-volt max lithium battery, it's self-contained and pressurizes any freshwater source. Just grab and go to clean anywhere and everywhere, leaving dirt and grime where it belongs. You can even use your normal hose and boost its pressure up to 10 times. Don't let messes build up. Quickly and easily maintain your outside spaces and gear all year with the Works Hydroshot. Ready, aim, clean.
Got dirty grout? Don't spend all that time and money ripping out tile. Bring it back to life with the Hyde Regrout tool. The Regrout tool is the fastest, easiest, cleanest way to make old tile look new again. The rubberized grip and 3-speed motor chips away all types of grout up to 1/8 inch wide. And the long-lasting carbide bits cruise through your dingy old grout at up to 1 inch per second. Completely retiling this kitchen would cost up to $7,000 versus just $100 for a simple regrouting. Other grout removal methods are awkward and dangerous and can damage your tiles. The Regrout tool's vibrating tips can reach even the most challenging areas, and it's safe to the touch. In just a fraction of the time, you'll be regrouting and breathing new life into your home. The Regrout tool from Hyde, saving you time and money on your next tile job.
This is the Xtend Climb telescoping ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Xtend Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Xtend Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Hola, os presentamos Magnet Driver, un dispositivo flexible y adaptable de tan solo 3 centímetros que multiplica el poder de imantación de cualquier destornillador manual o eléctrico. ¿Qué significa esto? Pongamos un ejemplo. En el caso de los destornilladores imantados, este poder es tan mínimo y limitado que necesitamos las 2 manos para sujetarlo. Sin embargo, usando Magnet Driver, este poder se multiplica soportando mucho más. Es tan fácil como insertar el dispositivo en la varilla, colocar el tornillo y ajustar hasta que el Magnet Driver contacte con el tornillo para demostrar la fuerza que éste tiene. En el caso de las herramientas eléctricas es igual de sencillo. Insertamos el Magnet Driver en la punta, ajustamos, colocamos la punta y atornillamos. Y por si fuera poco, la flexibilidad de Magnet Driver nos permite embutir los tornillos en cualquier tipo de material sin dañar las superficies. Lo mismo ocurre en el caso de tener que sacarlos. Ahora comparemos nuestro Magnet Driver con cualquier portapuntas imantado. Mismo tornillo. No hay comparación. Con Magnet Driver llegarás a los lugares más difíciles y complicados sin problemas, sin perder tornillos. Es muy fácil. Pero, ¿y los clavos? Utilizan nuestra punta sujetaclavos diseñada para facilitar la colocación de clavos, clavillas y grampillones en cualquier posición sin riesgo de golpearnos los dedos con el martillo. Existe un Magnet Driver para cada diámetro de varilla o punta. Magnet Driver multiplica el poder magnético de tus destornilladores.
We're Demos, and we've made the best shovel ever. Other shovels crack, bend, and break. Demos beats them all. literally. Last year, we launched our kicker tool, the Stealth Shovel, on Kickstarter. People loved it, but they all agreed on one thing. They wanted something bigger, badder, and made for everyone. So we listened and gathered our team to make the bestest, toughest, damnedest shovel ever. And we did. Introducing the Alpha Shovel. Mother Nature, meet Daddy. You wanted big? Oh, it's big. Over 20 inches long and 12 inches deep of glorious aircraft-grade aluminum means you can shovel away the Ice Age, or your driveway. It's got serrated teeth to cut ice, and shovel gliders to protect your deck beneath. So when we say it's cutting edge, we mean it. The Alpha Shovel is durable and tough. Rain or shine, dirt or snow, we built it to weather through a lifetime of storms and to storm through any weather. Our collapsible shaft makes it easy to pack, and the built-in strap holders makes it easy to carry. And we added a saw for good luck. Use it to cut anything that might get in the way. Choose between a D handle for better grip or a T handle for better compactability. Best of all, everything in the Alpha Shovel is interchangeable with the rest of the Demos family, allowing you to build a collection of multi-purpose tools for life. Every job, every day, for everyone. The Alpha Shovel, conditions be damned. Demos is a collective of lifelong innovators and adventurers. We like to go out and wreck face with nature, and come back to make the best products ever. We're born and raised in Jackson Hole, but our family goes far beyond town and state borders. This is a collaborative effort, not just between the team, but with pro athletes, action enthusiasts, and most importantly, our community. Back our campaign today and join the Demos Collective. We thank you for all of your support. Truly, Demos is defined not by us, but by you, our backers. Let's keep crushing it.
This is Form Card, a handy pocket-sized card of meltable bioplastic that you can use to make, fix and modify the world around you. You can mould it quickly and simply to make little solutions to everyday problems. When it's cool, it's really strong like nylon, so you can make solid, durable solutions with it. And then you can reheat it again and again to adapt, change and reuse it. Because it's a handy card size, you can keep one in your pocket, wallet, kitchen drawer or toolbox so that it's there whenever and wherever it's needed. And because you know it melts in a cup of hot water, that might be in a cafe to fix a broken umbrella, or around a campfire to fix a broken tent pole. It's strong enough for quick solutions to emergency situations, like when you've forgotten a tool for a job or a handle breaks on something. Plastic has got a bit of a bad name. It's associated with a cheap, disposable world in which things break easily and then end up in the bin. Form card is the opposite of that world. When it's very hot, it sticks to other plastics, so you can actually use it to instantly fix things, say a plastic shovel when you're on holiday. There are loads of amazing applications, and we'll be posting more examples online as the project develops. Hi, I'm Peter Marigold, the designer and developer of Form Card. Low temperature thermoplastics have been around for a very long time, and I've been working with them for the last couple of years. I've been running public workshops to explore their potential for use in our everyday lives, and I've developed Form Card based on these experiences. Normally, these thermoplastics are supplied in granulated form, which makes them awkward to use. The granules have to be squashed together, which is messy, wasteful, and sometimes even painful. This has restricted their use to people who are familiar with making things. But I believe that this material has a place in everyone's kitchen drawer, toolbox, and backpack, like blue tack or sellotape. So I developed it into a flat card form that would always be around and always be ready to use. The size and thickness of the card is exactly the right amount of material for the quick types of fixes that are needed. It fits in your wallet and it fits in a cup, so you can take it and use it anywhere you can find hot water. It's quick, clean, simple, instant, and fun. We've made Form Card affordable as an everyday product and are now producing them in loads of amazing colours for every possible application. I want Form Card to reach everyone who thinks about fixing things instantly when they break. Just take one out of your pocket, drop it into hot water, and fix things. Simple. Thanks for watching, and please support our project. Form Card. Melt, mould, make, mend.